Wagwan royalties, welcome to your Queen's Kitchen. Today I'll be making this powerful drink. This drink is very powerful. It is healthy, it is delicious. I'll leave in the description all the health benefits. I'm telling you, it's just a bag of goodness in this drink. So follow back on me and let's prepare this powerful drink. So here I have some soursop. So what I did, I peeled the soursop, wash it off nicely, and I have it in some water. I am soaking this from overnight because I want all the goodness to come off the pulp. So what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna squeeze on the pulp, and as I'm saying, I have this soaking from overnight. So you just want to squeeze on this, squeeze, get out all of that niceness. See, this is the pulp of the soursop, so just squeeze it out in the water, and you want to make this nice and thick. See how thick this is already? Yes, make sure your hands are clean. Okay, royalties. So the next thing that I am going to do, I am going to strain this off. So you just want to pour some in your strainer, and we're just gonna squeeze out all of that good juice out of the strainer. So I'm just using this spoon right here. You can use your hands. Again, if you have a juice bag, you can use the bag as well, cheesecloth, whatever works for you. So we're going to continue juicing everything until we get out all of that nice, thick, rich juice, okay? So as you can see, that's a pulp. And I have this soaking overnight, so everything is nicely soaked out of the soursop pulp. So just going to toss this out, and we're going to juice the balance of our soursop. There is a lot of health benefits that you can get from this soursop juice. With all the other ingredients that I am going to combine this with, just a bag of goodness. They said that soursop can fight against cancer, can prevent cancer. This can increase your stamina. Lots of antioxidants, build your immune system. The benefit just continues, and this is just a soursop, and I'm going to add more ingredients that have lots of health benefits. Okay, so we're done juicing. As you can see, we get quite a bit of juice from our soursop. Okay, royalties, so let me go over the ingredients that I will be adding. So here I have some ground cloves, and you all know the benefits of ground cloves. If you do not know all the health benefits, I am going to leave them in the description. I won't go over them in the video, just to keep the video short. And of course, our lemon juice, freshly squeezed lemon juice, and our ground ginger. You can use fresh ginger, but you will have to grate your ginger. And another powerful ingredient is our sea moss gel or your Irish moss gel. I'll leave a link in the description on how to prepare your sea moss gel. So in my blender, I have some of the soursop juice. So that's the soursop juice. You can make all of it, or you can make it one by one like daily. So I'm giving you 1 serving, and I'm telling you, drink this drink and you'll never get sick. Okay, so let's go ahead and prepare this powerful drink. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the ground clove, and I'm using 1/2 teaspoon. For the lemon juice, I'm going to go in also with about 1 teaspoon. You can put as much as you want, but you don't want it to be too tangy. And I'm going in with the ginger, 1/2 teaspoon. And I'm going to use 2 tablespoons. Yes, 2 tablespoons of my sea moss gel. You can even add 3 tablespoons. Lots of benefits right here. I'm telling you, drink this 2 to 3 times per week. I think I'm gonna go in with 3 tablespoons of my sea moss gel. Look at that. See that? All that nice gum. So we're going to blend this until it's nice and smooth. So let's start the blending. So we're done blending. We're just gonna pour this out. See how thick and rich that is? Look at that. All of that goodness, I'm telling you. Drink this 2 to 3 times per week. You'll never get weak. You'll never get sick. If you love this recipe, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscription button. Turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, God bless you all.